Hi guys, welcome back to yet another video from English Troop. It's me, Lali again. Has anyone ever told you that English is a very confusing language? Yes, it is. When it comes to a lot of things. You do all know that English has 26 alphabets, right? But did you also know that English has 44 sounds? Not just that, we have many more things inside of it. You must have noticed a few words where the entire word is there, but some letters are missing. Not just that, to make matters even more confusing, we have things called heterophones, homophones, a lot of other things. The least confusing of all that is the thing I'm going to talk about today, homophones. Now what are homophones? These are things that sound alike, they have the same pronunciation maybe, but they have different spellings and completely different meanings. I'll be giving a few examples and hope you get to know what homophones really are. The first example, flower, flower. What am I talking about here? Flower, when you have to gift somebody a flower, you give them that. Also, a flower is used when you have to cook or bake something. And the number 4, okay, we know 4. What about the other thing? For somebody? That, it both sounds the same, but yes, it's a different thing. Here, here. What am I talking about here? What am I talking about here? And then, can you hear something? Yes, those are both completely different things. And then him, him. We all know him. Yes, that guy who's always, naughty. But then did you also know that for a song, a small song, you call that a hymn? Night, night. It's dark outside, it's night. I don't think I want to go out. And it's also called, the knight in shining armor. Yes. And then no, no. What am I talking about? 2 no's. Do you know what is going to happen next? And no, I cannot do this anymore. What about R? Well, this is our discussion, right? And also, what are you going to do next hour? And whole. This whole thing, we're talking about homophones, right? And can you put something inside that hole? Buy. What am I talking about here? Buy, when I have to buy something from somebody. And by the way, all right, next I'm going to talk about sell. Sell? Yes, when you have to sell something. I want to sell my bike. Also, what is he doing inside that cell? Yes, these are some of the most confusing homophones, but believe me, you will get a knack of it. Make sure that you keep things in mind. So guys, that is what I was talking about. English, yes, a very confusing language, but also a language that can make you really curious. So wait and watch for the next one.